escape to this stunning 106-acre Virginia property featuring a beautifully restored farmhouse with a new addition, surrounded by 3 ponds and breathtaking views of the mountains. The property includes 4 separate cabins, accommodating up to 20 guests and multiple outbuildings. With its idyllic setting, abundant wildlife, and extensive trails, this private nature preserve is perfect for a family compound, hunting lodge, or retreat for nature enthusiasts. The property conveys with curated furnishings, Starlink internet, and a high-end Can-Am Defender, making it a rare and exceptional opportunity. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.